Today, we are diving into The Secret of the Nagas, the gripping second book in the Shiva trilogy by Amish Tripathi. This book continues the epic journey of Shiva, a man destined to become a god. Get ready for a thrilling ride through ancient India, filled with mystery, adventure, and profound revelations. So the story picks up right where the immortals of Meluha left off. Shiva, our hero, is devastated by the death of his friend. He believes the enigmatic Nagas are responsible and sets out to seek revenge. But what he discovers is far more complex than he ever imagined. Shiva, accompanied by his loyal friends and his wife Sati, travels across the land, uncovering clues about the Nagas. Along the way, they encounter various challenges and adversaries, including treacherous enemies and political intrigue. Also, Sati learns that her stillborn child might actually be alive and that the Nagas hold the key to this mystery. This personal quest intertwines with Shiva's mission, adding emotional depth and urgency to their journey. As Shiva delves deeper, he realizes that the Nagas, initially seen as malevolent and sinister, have their own struggles and motivations. This revelation challenges Shiva's black and white view of good and evil, forcing him to confront the complexities of morality. The book introduces new characters like the enigmatic Naga Queen and the powerful Vasudevs, adding fresh dynamics and intrigue. Shiva's companions, including Parvateshwar, Nandi, and Kritika, also play crucial roles in advancing the story. By the end of the book, Shiva uncovers startling truths about the Nagas, their connection to his destiny, and the larger cosmic battle between good and evil. These revelations set the stage for the epic conclusion in the final book, The Oath of the Vayuputras. The Secret of the Nagas explores deep themes of destiny, loyalty, and the nature of evil. It challenges readers to look beyond appearances and question their assumptions about morality. Amish Tripathi masterfully blends mythology, history, and fantasy, creating a rich and captivating narrative. Amish Tripathi's The Secret of the Nagas is a must-read for fans of mythological fiction and epic adventures. It offers a compelling continuation of Shiva's journey, filled with twists, revelations, and profound themes. If you enjoyed this summary, be sure to check out the book and stay tuned for more reviews and summaries on our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.